There's a magic that comes with vision boards, and there's a magic that comes with writing things down. It's the law of attraction.
I heard that you did. Is that true?
I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995, and I put it in my wallet and I kept it there, and it deteriorated and stuff, but then just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million on, I think it was Dumb and Dumber.
Dumb and Dumber, yeah. So you visualize yourself like...
Imagine you had everything you wanted. Everything. Imagine you were everything you ever wanted to be. And capture that feeling. That's the easiest way to manifest what you want. That's all God wants, to make us happy. It's the law of attraction I'm always talking about. Shit, look it up. It changed my life.
So in today's video, we're going to be making our vision boards for 2020. My cousin, Jayleah, hit me up this morning and was like, bitch, we need to make some vision boards. And I was like, bitch, yeah, we do. We're getting ready to get our pictures together, do some photoshopping, and then we're gonna go print them out at CVS, and then we're gonna come back here, put them on the board, and boom, manifestation. Thank you. So I'm getting ready to light up this pink flavor candle, you feel me?
Bruh.
Why isn't it working? Hours of looking through pictures on Pinterest and Google, we finally narrowed them down, and we're getting ready to go to CVS to print them now. So yeah, right now Jayleah is just cleaning the snow off her car because it decided to snow.
This is so fucking ghetto.
I know.
Oh my god, look at how wet my seat's gonna be. And then
Literally, like, this was not in the forecast.
exactly, what's wrong with you weather people? Y'all can't even do your job right.
Matter of fact, he'll be here in a minute, baby. Tired, and I decided that I was just gonna pick up where I left off last night today. So let's just jump right into it. So the first thing that is on my vision board is a car, because I do not have my license and I don't have a car. So one of my main focuses for this year is to purchase a car and to obviously learn how to drive, get my license. My dream car is a G-Wagon, and that is why I put it on my vision board, because it's just fun to look at, and I just, you know, I really want one day, and I know I'll have one day. So the next thing that's on my vision board is to adopt a golden doodle puppy. I am obsessed with golden doodles.
They're so cute and so fluffy and so loving.
And they just make you feel so special, and I need one, you know? I need a puppy. So that is another goal of mine this year. The next thing that is on my vision board is to pursue music. I want to write a song this year, and I also want to audition for my worship team and hopefully start singing for my church so that I can serve God in that way. The next thing that I have on my vision board is my YouTube channel name with 50,000 subscribers photoshopped underneath it, because you know what? You better act as if. The fuck? So my goal for this year is to reach 50,000 subscribers, and I know I can do it if I just like work extremely hard and just be true to myself and just be on that YouTube grind, you feel me? And right underneath that, I have entrepreneur, because I also want to start a business. Right underneath that, I have a Bible, and I put a Bible because I want to start reading my Bible every day, and I haven't been consistent with that at all. I want to start doing a Bible study for myself, you know, just studying my Bible, understanding it, and just really getting into the word every day, because it's extremely important, and sometimes I tend to like lose my focus with that. Next to that, I have God, and I put God in the center of my vision board because I just want God to be in the center of everything that I do. I don't want to do anything without him. So another thing that I have on my vision board is rise and grind, and I have a good morning, and then I have like a nice breakfast. The reason why I put those things on my vision board is because I want to start waking up early every day. I have read and I've heard, and it's just been proven that the most successful people wake up early. Me personally, when I'm up early, I function better, and I'm more creative, and I'm more willing to get things done. I'm more willing to be productive. Underneath that, I have a girl who is just chilling on an airplane in first class.
That's how I want to be.
So that's a goal of mine. I want to ride first class, you know, be bougie a little bit. And then right next to that, or right above that, I have a passport and airline tickets, because I do want to get my passport this year, and I want to travel internationally. I want to go to Bali. That is my dream destination, and I'm gonna make it happen. Okay, we're going to Bali this year, so be prepared for the vlog. Okay. And then I have pictures of Bali underneath that, and oh, that's it. Okay. So that is all for my vision board. I have made vision boards in the past. I have a vision board from last year and the year prior to that, and I'm gonna be honest, none of what I've put on my vision boards in the past have came true. And I truly believe that it's because I didn't really have any intention. I didn't work towards them. You know, when you don't work towards these goals that you have on your vision board, they're not gonna come true. Like, you can't just slap your dreams on a vision board and be like, all right, I'm just gonna sit back and just wait for my dreams to manifest. Like, you have to go out and make them happen. You do have to believe. You have to believe. You have to visualize. You have to feel that you already have it, but you have to work towards it too. I'm saving up for a car. I'm working towards getting my license. I'm already looking at puppies that I'm gonna get. I'm working on my music, actually writing songs, ideas, looking up beats. Like, I'm working on my YouTube channel. I'm trying to upload more consistently and write out a schedule and plan my videos out. So that's the difference between this year and the past years that I've made vision boards. It's just I put real action and intent behind all of these goals that I have, and I know I'm gonna rock them. I feel it in my heart. I know I can do it. I know I can do it.
Oh, I know.
You have to know that you're gonna do it. You have to believe that it's already yours. And I'm still working on the believing it's already mine's part, but soon I will believe that I already have these things, because I will have them, you know? So yeah. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed my vision board for 2020 video, and I'll see y'all sugar boogers in the next one. Okay? All right.
Bye.
Gang, 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 gang.